The Tale of Elara and the Starlit Kingdom by FeedTheFroggy.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land where stars touched the earth, there was a kingdom ruled by a kind queen named Elara. The kingdom was known as the Starlit Kingdom, where every night stars would descend to dance among the fields and forests, casting a magical glow over everything. Queen Elara was beloved by her people for her wisdom and kindness. She was known to wander through the villages, listening to the stories of her subjects and sharing her warmth with everyone she met. But Elara had a secret. She could understand the language of the stars, a gift passed down through generations of her family. One evening, as the stars began their descent, a particularly bright star approached Elara. "Queen Elara," the star whispered, "the balance of magic in our realm is in danger. A dark cloud is approaching, threatening to overshadow our light." Elara's heart filled with concern. "What must I do to protect our kingdom?" she asked. "The magic of the Starlit Kingdom lies in the crystal of eternity, hidden in the enchanted forest," the star replied. "You must find it and reignite its power." Determined to save her kingdom, Elara set out on a quest to find the crystal of eternity. She donned a cloak woven with stardust and took with her a small enchanted lantern gifted by the stars to light her way. As she ventured into the enchanted forest, the trees whispered tales of ancient times, and magical creatures emerged to guide her. Among them was a wise old owl named Solas, who offered to accompany Elara on her journey. Together, they navigated through the forest, facing challenges that tested Elara's courage and wisdom. They encountered a mischievous band of fairies who tried to lead them astray but were won over by Elara's kindness. In gratitude, the fairies revealed a hidden path leading deeper into the heart of the forest. After a long journey, Elara and Solas reached a clearing where the crystal of eternity lay. The crystal, once vibrant and glowing, now lay dim and silent. Elara approached it with reverence and sang a song of renewal taught to her by the stars. As her voice echoed through the clearing, the crystal began to pulse with light. The stars above descended, surrounding Elara in a brilliant halo of light, and the magic of the kingdom was restored. The dark cloud that had threatened the kingdom dissolved into stardust, and the balance of magic was restored. The stars danced joyfully in the sky, casting their light over the Starlit Kingdom. Queen Elara returned to her people, greeted with cheers and gratitude. The story of her bravery and the restoration of magic spread far and wide, becoming a legend passed down through generations. From that day on, the Starlit Kingdom thrived, a place where magic and kindness reigned supreme, and where Queen Elara continued to rule with wisdom and grace. The end.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hit that subscribe button for more fun videos. Don't forget to ring the bell.